Hello, in this C programming video, we are going to look at the size of operator. So the size of operator lets us check the size, of a particular data type, and it returns the number of bytes that it will require in memory, in RAM. And this can vary on system to system depending on the architecture, so bear that in mind. Generally, it's pretty standardized, but it can vary. It's not just the size of a data type. You could do size of a variable. That would just check the size of that particular variable's data type. Still comes down to data type, but you don't have to specify the data type specifically. So if you just want to do it based on a variable. Okay, so let's say if I create a variable int I equals 8. The value inside doesn't really matter because it's an int. And let's say if I do printf, and I'm going to say size of a variable, and I will put %i, and to do the size of, you to put size of, open close brackets, parenthesis, and then put the variable. Give that a run, it should return the value, which I believe will be 4 bytes, or it'll return the number 4, which is 4 bytes, because it's an integer. And we could do it on any type of data type. So we could, let's say, do int char float double, and this will be size of an integer of a character of a float and of a double. If I give that a little run, let's see what we get. So we'll get 4 for this. We get 4 for this because they're the same and they are both integers. Character will probably get 1. And let me print it all out. \n, otherwise it is hard to distinguish what is what. Okay. So let me increase the size of our terminal. Okay, variable is 4 because it's an integer. Integer is also 4. Character is 1. Float is 4 and double is 8. Again, it's pretty standardized, but it can vary, so just bear that in mind. So that's the size of operator. Can be really useful, especially with stuff like offsetting and memory management. If you have any questions, feel free to join the Discord group. There's a link in the description. And as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.